All right, let's quickly walk around to how we won these two trades and lost one trade, but go through them. Let me turn this off real quick. I'll turn it back on so that way you can see. But actually, let me go ahead and turn it on. So we did a simple session sweep even the previous day and as well as the same day for Tokyo session being taken out. But when this high got taken out here, we entered here, and let me move this here and kind of zoom in so you can see. That was a good sign. There was a good indication that our bias was correct. We had this huge bearish candle. So, and because we entered a good size and I ended up taking profit, I know I should have let the trade play, but I ended up taking profit. And I was like, if the price comes back again to my entry, then I'll enter again. So as soon as it came here, I didn't wait for the same place that I entered. I just entered. But the most important thing I want to point out is when I re-entered, because we already got good profit. When I re-entered, I went ahead and de-risked. I went half the original size that I went. Now, price came in all the way to the stop loss, came back down, and then so we were still, we thought we were good. We had hope, but and then price came back down and then took out stop loss. But it was okay because let me move. There we go. So right here, price came all the way here to almost stop loss and then came back down, and we thought we were still good. And then price took off and it hit stop loss. And then on this day, you guys know gold is on an all-time high. Now, I don't like trading. I mentioned this in my previous video when it's all-time high because you just don't know if it's going to be the beginning of the move to the downside or if it's still going to continue up. But we ended up just doing a trade here. There was no much confluence we could have done, and we just did a simple, Tokyo session being taken out. And I entered here because luckily, like I always talk about, not even luckily, but this is something to do for safety. I always give my stop loss a breathing room, and price went here because I entered here. So price went all the way here and came back down and took out profit sell. I wasn't that sure, and there was no other conferences, and also it was a London session trade. So all I did was entered, set the stop loss, and take profit and went to sleep. So I ended up taking profit somewhere around here. But when I woke up, the trade ended up playing out. But we still ended up getting good profit. And yeah, that was that. Hope you have any question. If you learned anything, just leave a thumbs up, give it a like. If you have any questions, let me know. And then also don't forget to join the Discord. It's free.